In this video, you'll learn how to remove Yahoo search from Google Chrome. If you find this video helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to the channel. So to remove Yahoo search from Google Chrome, it's very easy to do. Probably your screen right now looks similar like mine, because when you open up a new tab, you will see Yahoo search instead of Google. So what you'll have to do is go on Google Chrome, go to the top right to the three little dots, then go below to click on Settings. Then once you're in this screen, you have to go to the left and click on Search Engine. Then the first thing you'll have to do is change your default search engine. So you can choose the one you want. We'll go with Google. Click on Set as Default. Then what you can do right now is click on Manage Search Engines and Site Search. And right here you can click on the three little dots next to Yahoo search, and you can actually delete it completely. So we'll do that right now. We'll click on Delete. And then it asks you, are you sure that you want to delete the search engine? You can click on Delete again. And right now you've removed Yahoo search completely from Google Chrome. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like.